Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. I am an artist located in Victoria, Australia, and this is my travel vlog for Japan. I this is this is a vlog number 3. So if you haven't seen the first two, go and have a look at that. These first few images are some of the dinner that we had in for it was from the last night in the last vlog that I forgot to put in, and they were too good not to put in here as a memory because let's be real, I create these for myself and my family to look at and remember our trip. So I took my 6-year-old son and my mother over to Japan and we had the best time. This vlog is full of travel, so we pretty much had the entire day of travel from Tokyo, where we were staying, to Osaka, and we took the Shinkansen or bullet train. I'm probably saying that entirely wrong. We took the bullet train to Osaka, where we stayed in the Nishigari. I'm probably saying that wrong as well. It's been a while since I've actually had a look at the information, so I'll correct myself here. In the Nishikari ward, and that was in Osaka. So yeah, a lot of this footage is travel. There was at one point I remember I needed to go to the toilet while I was on the bullet train, and the bullet train goes at approximately it travels at approximately 300 kilometers per hour, I believe, when it's at its fastest. And so when I got up to go to the loo, it felt like there was no gravity. Like like every step felt like I was floating, and it was the most bizarre sensation. I don't know how else to explain it, but I won't talk too much more in this section. I just want to share the beautiful footage and show you exactly what it looked like while we were on the train. At the end of this vlog, you will see some of the footage of the new accommodation that we were staying at in Osaka and a couple of photos of the surrounding area. And yeah, if you haven't checked out the first few videos, go and do that. There will be many, many more. This is only, I believe it's day 5 is this footage. So we were there for 14 days, so much more to catch up on. I'm going to stop talking. Enjoy this train footage, and I will talk to you soon.
Right, did you see a ginormous 7-Eleven?
doors on the left side will open. Please be careful not to leave your belongings. And please watch your step when you get off the train. Thank you. 29号博多駅です。自由席は前より1号車と2号車です。
First was take these photos with these cool train pop-ups in Osaka, and we got some McDonald's. I got the teriyaki fillet chicken burger. We saw the train station, and then we made it into our first accommodations. All right, let's have a look, Max. What's in here? Oh, very nice.
The last house didn't come with flowers. I'm very surprised.
Yep.
That's the backyard. We don't want to go out there yet.
Well, I guess we'll have a look. I don't know how to... Oh. Okay.
The side.
Just wait.
There you go.
Okay.
Little side area.
They're right behind a train line. We'll leave that.
Leave that for after the whole thing. What's in here?
Probably a toilet, I'd bet.
Toilet.
Yep.
Very nice.
Toilet. Close that.
Let's go upstairs. What's up here?
You have to be very careful on these stairs, please, okay?
This one's steeper than the other ones. Very much surprised.
Okay, hang on. We'll look down here first.
Oh, that's more stairs.
So, there's one bedroom.
It's very nice. It smells good in here too.
Yeah. Bedroom. Got extra sheets.
That is very nice.
Nice. Next bedroom. Yep, another toilet.
That one looks the same.
And the laundry. And a bath and a shower. This is a shower room.
Wait, so the whole room's just a shower?
Yep.
The whole room.
And a bath. And we discovered we're directly next to a train line, Granny. Yep. Window.
So that's all the house.
And then upstairs.
Wait, oh, I forgot. Wait, you can see that there.
Yeah, there.
More careful.
Yep.
The stairs are smaller.
Oh, my knees. Alright. Got
Another
bed. Very nice. So from there we pretty much went and got a few snacks, hung out for the rest of the night. So stay tuned to see what we do in the next video in Osaka. See you in the next one. Bye!